Hey there, and welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot in the comments. Is Trello really free for 10 users? Now, I know what you're thinking. Trello is a fantastic tool for project management, collaboration, and staying organized. But is it really as generous as it seems? Let's find out. Understanding Trello's free plan. To start, let's break down what Trello's free plan offers. Essentially, it's a great starting point for individuals and small teams. You can create an unlimited number of boards, add as many cards as you need, and even attach files to those cards. But here's where things might get a little tricky. While you can technically add as many members to your boards as you want, the free plan comes with certain limitations when it comes to advanced features. Limitations of the free plan. One of the main limitations is the lack of Power UPS. Power UPS are like supercharged features that can add extra functionality to your boards. Think of them as plugins that can help you integrate with other tools, automate workflows, or even gamify your projects. While the free plan does offer a few basic Power UPS, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to access the full range of options. This can be a significant drawback if you're looking for more advanced features to streamline your workflow. Board views and permissions. Another area where the free plan might fall short is in terms of board views and permissions. While you can create different board views to visualize your data in different ways, some advanced options, like calendar views or timeline views, may require a paid plan. Similarly, if you need to set granular permissions for different members of your team, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to control who can see, edit, or delete specific boards and cards. Storage limitations. Finally, it's worth mentioning that the free plan comes with storage limitations. While you can attach files to your cards, there's a limit to the total amount of storage you can use. If you're working with large files or a lot of attachments, you may need to consider a paid plan to avoid hitting the storage cap. Is Trello free for 10 users? So, to answer the original question, is Trello free for 10 users? Technically, yes. You can add as many members to your boards as you want. However, the free plan comes with certain limitations that might impact your team's productivity and efficiency. If you're a small team that doesn't need advanced features like Power UPS, custom board views, or extensive storage, the free plan might be sufficient. But if you're looking for a more robust solution, you may need to consider upgrading to a paid plan. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to upgrade to a paid Trello plan depends on your specific needs and budget. If the free plan meets your requirements, there's no need to spend extra money. However, if you find that the limitations are hindering your team's workflow, it might be worth exploring the paid options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.